Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have 400 Valentine Days card pack. 806 items are here. In just APS files are 400 and JPG files are 400. Then 806 files. These files with different colors, different shapes are different design. So you can do it your own choice. You can change color, you write your own text here, you adjust your image here, depend your own self. You can do better for your own or your for project etc. So first I show you these designs. So basically different background and sometimes change shape. You see the high definition background. Wow. You change color, convert it into red. Red is better for this day. You see here you can write your own text or your quotes. You see here behind the color is changed, you see, and these files are for Adobe Illustrator user. You see here, wow. So I wanna change this, so drag this file in Adobe Illustrator use. Okay, you see here in layer area, and there have two groups, one for letter and one for I think this background. You can see here you can change it one by one item. You see, zoom. Wow. Select this path and change any color like pink. Okay, and you see, I think you can create your own background. Wow, sky blue or wow, there's a green here, red. Depend on your own self. You can change this path color or remove it, write your own text here, etc. So I open next file. These are RGB file for online user. That's mean LCDs, LED views for social media. You can print better result. Here is this. Wow, you write your own text here. So subscribe me. I hope this tutorial is useful for you on Valentine Day or before. So take care, Allah Hafiz.